Kakalungkot, gaano ba ako kahirap sa Pinas kung 10K per month kita ko? Siguro objective way dyan para masagot natin yan is gamitin natin yung income class dito sa Pilipinas. So yan, tinanong ko si ChatGPT, I'm earning 10K per month in the Philippines. How poor I am based on income class? So yan, in the Philippine, income class are often categorized as follows based on monthly family income according to the Philippine Institute for Development Studies or PIDS, P-I-D-S. So ayan, number 1, poor. Less than 10,957 per month. So, most likely, pasok ka dito kasi 10K per month. So, ano ba yung iba pa? So, next level is low income. So, sila yung mga low income, pero not poor. Di sila mahirap. So, between 10,957 to 21,914 per month ang kita. So, number 3, lower middle income. So, lower middle, 21,915 to 43,828 per month. Number 4, middle income, middle, ayan. So, 43,829 pesos to 76,668 per month. Next is upper middle income. So, 76,669 to 131,484 per month. So, ayan, nagsisimula na silang mag 6 digits, no? Upper middle income ka na. And, tingin ko, ito na yung income na, livable. So, ito, upper income naman, pero hindi sila considered as rich. 131,000 to 219,000 per month. And lastly, ang pinakole, rich, 219,000 and above per month. So, yan, considered mayaman ka na dito sa Pilipinas kung ganyan yung kinikita mo. So, ayan, sabi ni ChatGPT, since 10,000 per month, you would be classified as poor based on the national standards but just slightly below the threshold. So, huwag ka nang malungkot. Sipag, improve yourself, no? Dumami pa yung skills mo and grateful tayo kasi may 10K per month income, no? Lamang ka doon sa mga tambay.